Hello everybody, I'm going to replace the screen of my Lenovo IDEAPAD 330. To start with, go ahead and take the plug off the laptop as well as switch off the laptop. The next step would be to go ahead and take off the bezels of the laptop. So I'm going to use the back side of steel spoon. So it's pretty easy, but you got to be a little careful while removing. So what I have done is I just go ahead and insert the back side of the spoon here and take off these bezels. So if you see here, it's pretty easy to remove the bezels with the spoon. The third step is to tilt the laptop sideways and insert the spoon between the bezel and the top cover of the laptop and just slide the spoon sideways so that the bezel gets detached from the top cover, just like this. So the fourth step is to insert the spoon between the front bezel and here so that you can tilt the laptop and slide the spoon sideways so that the bezel comes out and completely gets detached. So do just like this, slide the spoon sideways. And once you have detached, take the panel outside and keep it side. And you can also take off this bezel grooves. And if you see, there are 4 screws, 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom, that we need to use a screwdriver to take it out so that the existing screen can be taken off safely. So we'll go ahead and remove the screws one by one. Now remove the screen safely, carefully. If you look at this, this is the plug. You need to be very careful about this. And just slide the screen and tilt it here. So once you have taken the LCD screen off and placed like this on the keyboard, the next step would be to very carefully unplug the bracket securing the video connector. So you can probably use your fingernails or maybe something, a sharp material, but I just use my fingernail like you see. So you can unplug this brackets, and then the next step would be to go ahead and unplug the video connector, the video cable. So let's do that. So the next step is to carefully remove the video connector. like this, and then discard the old screen. And here is the new screen that we just got from the laptop screen, and you can go ahead and place it just like you had placed the old screen. And all you have to do is connect the old cable back to the new screen. So to the new laptop screen, once you place like this, just connect back the video cable very carefully, just like this. And this brackets, you just have to latch it once again so that it secures the video connector. Just make sure that this video connector is connected properly, and the brackets are latched just like how it was for the old screen. You have reconnected the video cable. Just place your new screen like this back, and you got to plug in all the screws just like you had done for the old one. The screw back like this and plug in all the 4 screws, 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom, so that your new LCD screen is. So now that the screen is placed and we have fixed it back, so let's go ahead and place the bezel like this. So be very sure to place it appropriately and quickly latch it on all 4 sides. So now that we have fixed the bezels and the new screen, just go ahead and let's check if the video connector is connected properly. So just power on the laptop, and there you go. So just wait for a little bit so that the laptop powers on and you can see everything clearly on the screen. So, and there you go. I think it's functioning properly. So we have the new laptop screen, and just wait for a little bit more till the screen, and there you go. I think we're all set. So that's pretty much, and hope you enjoyed the video. Feel free to like the video and share. Thank you.